The week of April 13th through the 19th is Colorado's Severe Weather Awareness Week, as proclaimed by Governor Hickenlooper. During this week, National Weather Service offices in Colorado will be promoting information about potentially hazardous severe weather and related safety guidelines. Lightning usually injures and kills more people each year in Colorado than any other thunderstorm-related hazard, and this is also true within most other western states. Last year, there were 22 people in Colorado that were known to be struck by lightning, and fortunately all survived. However, many lightning strike survivors suffer long-term problems such as neurological disorders, muscle damage, including heart damage, and injuries to the nervous system. When thunderstorms threaten, seek shelter in a sturdy, non-metal building or a metal-roofed vehicle. Then make sure that all windows and doors are closed, since lightning can pass through an open airway. Then wait at least 30 minutes after the last sound of thunder before resuming outdoor activities. A recent study on lightning victims concluded that 95% of the people who were struck by lightning while outdoors had a substantial building or vehicle nearby. Floods and flash floods are the second leading direct weather cause of death and injury in the western part of the United States. Flash floods can occur many miles away from where the heavy rain is falling. You need to pay close attention to the weather situation when hiking through narrow canyons, gullies, or arroyos on days when potentially heavy rainfall is possible. If flash flooding becomes likely, you should quickly move to higher ground. Never attempt to cross a flooded roadway. It can be nearly impossible to see through the floodwaters to determine if the road has already been washed out. Additionally, just 2 feet of fast-moving water will carry away most vehicles. When approaching floodwaters, turn around. Don't drown. All thunderstorms have downdrafts, which can sometimes produce very strong winds. Microburst winds are associated with some thunderstorms and can produce gusts up to 100 miles per hour at the surface, which is as strong as the winds in an EF1 tornado. These strong thunderstorm winds can cause great destruction to property and forests, and can pick up loose objects and turn them into airborne missiles. When thunderstorms threaten, seek shelter immediately. Although tornadoes occur only rarely west of the Continental Divide, it is a fact that they actually do occur somewhere on the west slope each year, such as this tornado which was photographed in northwest Colorado on May 29th of 2013. If a tornado is spotted, or if a tornado warning has been issued for your area, seek shelter in a basement or underground storm shelter. If these options are not available, move to a hallway or a small interior room on the lowest floor, such as a closet or bathroom. Abandon modular homes and mobile homes as they offer little protection from tornadoes. If you are driving in open country and see a tornado, simply drive away from the tornado path if time permits. Large hail can occur from very strong thunderstorms. In Colorado, large hail is most common in the eastern plains, although it can occur on the west slope. In September of last year, hail up to tennis ball size occurred in La Plata County and caused around $2 million in damage to personal property. Large hail can also injure and kill. Again, when thunderstorms threaten, seek shelter before they arrive. As a reminder, you should check the latest weather forecast before planning any outdoor activity, and then you should keep an eye on the sky and be prepared to quickly seek shelter when conditions threaten. For more information on severe weather safety, please visit the Preparedness menu item under the Weather Safety section of our homepage. The National Weather Service wishes you a safe severe weather season.